Hello class. This worksheet on the whiteboard here is your classwork of the week. It's all about simplifying algebraic expressions, and altogether there are 21 of them, but one has already been answered. So altogether there are 20 questions here. Shouldn't be that bad. We're gonna go one by one, and let's see how it goes. Okay. I'm gonna go horizontally. So for the first row will be like question number 1, 2, 3, like that. Okay, now let's continue to go work on number 2 right here. And let's see, that is x plus 2x squared minus 4x squared minus 5x squared. That will become, the like terms are the x squared right here, so that will be x minus 2x squared coming from 2x squared minus 4x squared to continue with minus 5x squared. Now just the last thing to combine like terms, that will be x minus 7x squared. Okay, number 3, that will be 4 minus d squared plus 2d squared minus d. So the like terms are the d squared. That will be 4 plus d squared minus d. Okay. And keep going. That will be c squared plus y minus 5y plus c squared. So there are two different types of, two different variables in here. One is the c squared, which can be combined with another c squared. Another variable-like term is the y and y over here. So let's do it. C squared plus c squared, that will become 2c squared. Plus 1y minus 5y, that will get you minus 4y. Okay, next, 1 minus xy minus 2 minus xy. Again, two different types of combined like terms in this case as well. I have a minus 1xy and minus 1xy. At the same time, I can combine my constants as well. So let's work on the constants first. 1 minus 2 is negative 1. Negative xy minus xy, that is minus 2xy. Okay, next, 2x squared plus x plus 4x minus 3x. You can combine like term on the x variables. So put down the 2x squared because you can't do anything about it. Plus 1x plus 4x minus 3x. Altogether, that will get you plus 2x. The next one we have u minus 3bu plus 1 minus bu. Okay, the combined like terms, we have the bu as a variable. So whatever I did not underline, I cannot do anything about it. So that will be u plus 1 because I can't do anything about the u, so it's the 1. Minus 3bu minus bu, altogether you're minusing 4bu. Okay, next I have a squared plus 2 plus a minus 2a squared. I have to combine my a squared. So that is negative a squared plus 2 plus a. Next, I have negative 2y squared minus 2y squared plus y plus 2y. So I can combine my y squared as well as the y. That will be negative 4y squared plus 3y altogether. Next, I have r minus, so r plus r squared minus r. Okay, let's combine the variable of r minus r, that is 0. So 0 plus r squared, that gives me r squared. And I have 6x squared minus 5 plus 6. In this case, I am simply combining the constants terms, so that will be 6x squared plus 1. 8 plus 10x squared minus x squared. So I'm combining the x squared in this question. So 8, that will be 8 plus 10x squared minus 1x squared. That will become 9x squared. Okay, next I have r squared minus r plus 3r minus r squared. Combined like term, I have the r squared as well as the r. So r squared minus r squared, that is 0. And then I have minus 1r plus 3r, which is plus 2r. Altogether, I just have 2r. Next, I have t squared minus 5t plus 5t minus t squared. So t squared and t squared are like terms, so are the t. So t squared minus t squared, that is 0 t squared, minus 5t plus 5t, that is also plus 0t. So altogether I have 0. Next I have 5 plus w plus 2w squared minus w squared. The only thing I can combine is a w squared. So that will be 5 plus w, 2 minus 1 is 1, so plus 1 w squared, or just w squared is fine. Okay. Okay. Next I have, it is 3r minus 6 plus r plus 3r squared. Let's see what we can combine here, which is the r. So 3r plus 1r is 4r minus 6 plus 3r squared. Okay, next we have 3a plus 3a squared minus 4a squared plus 5a. So I have the a terms to combine as well as a squared terms to combine as well. So 5a plus 3a, that will be 8a. Then I have the plus 3a squared minus 4a squared. So altogether is minus a squared or minus 1a squared. The imaginary one is right there. Whether you put it or not, that's up to you. Okay, next I have negative r minus 6 plus 2r minus 9. That will become r minus, this is minus 6 and minus 9, so altogether you are minusing 15. Okay, then I have u to the third power plus 4u plus u squared minus 2u. The only thing we can combine like terms are the u. So put down the rest that I am not going to change anything. So u cubed plus u squared, and then I have plus 2u from the combined like term. Okay, the last one I have 1 plus av plus 3 minus 3a. In this case, the only thing I can combine is the constants. So 1 plus 3 is 4. Then bring down the rest that I am not doing anything about it. That is 4 plus av minus 3a altogether. Okay, so we just finished the 20 questions classwork. I hope that through this exercise, you guys can enhance your skill in combined like terms, as well as to identify the like terms as well. Just be careful of the sign and the arithmetics, and I believe that all of you will do well. Okay, have fun with the homework and good luck in your test.